Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WH-1000XM3 wireless headphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones where they're not connecting or they're not working, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, any issues like this can very often be fixed with a hard reset. Now you're going to need to set them up again because they will be reinitialized back to their coming out of the box factory defaults with all of the pairing history wiped. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. So if you want to do it, we can go ahead and proceed. It's quite easy. All you need to do is make sure that your headphones are turned off and that they're not plugged into anything. And once they're turned off and plugged in, we're just going to come and we're going to hold this NC ambient button and the power button simultaneously for 7 seconds or more, at which point a blue indicator light will flash 4 times. Once that happens, you can release and the headset will restart into its factory default settings with all the pairing information cleared off. Then you can go into your phone, delete the previously paired device off of your phone, and then go ahead and set it up as a new set of headphones.